Hello and welcome back to your favorite spoken English channel, Vision Spoken English. If you're someone like me who changes its job location really frequently, you'll require to watch this video. See, in this one, we'll tackle each problems combinedly that lets you get ahead of the other employees and that lets you get ahead of other candidates for the job interview that you're going to face. See, imagine that tomorrow is a job interview. Today you are ready with the goosebumps, with the active head that tomorrow you're going to rock on. But what if just one mistake and then all hard work of yours gets into vain? So if it shouldn't happen, and for that particular reason, I've created this video. See, first work that you should be doing before approaching for the job interview is that researching about the company's role. Now, firstly, you should have aggregated information about the company that you're going to work with. For example, if it works around, fisheries and fish near the Indian Ocean, then you should have complete number of fishes that it takes out of that. You should have complete understanding of the steps that he has taken recently about the organization, about the benefits of the society, about the environmental sustainability. If it had done anything, just get to know this. And why am I saying this? Because once you understand the responsibilities that he has taken for the growth of the society, for the environment sustainability, and you know this, you actually make them feel that you are a connective candidate, a type of candidate who knows about the company, who wants to work with this company. It's not that you are there to aggregate someone's seat. You're there to, make someone get out of that and get selected on that seat. No, but you're interested in order to visit that organization only. So it makes you feel connective to the company, and your selection or chances gets enhanced by 100%. You are supposed to learn about the company's mission, culture, and recent achievements that it has gotten over the years. You need to understand the job description and required skills that it takes in order to get you selected. For example, if you're going to get selected for the role of a coordinator or a principal or a vice principal or project head or project management or human resource management or human resource or project development lead or like architect, if you're any of the candidate, you need to understand the job description that it had shown. And as per that job description, you should create a simplified resume for that particular job description. If the job description says that I require a candidate who is good at communication, who is good at public speaking, who is good at interpersonal skill and interpersonal skill, people management skill, understanding of Python, Excel, or computer literacy, any of these, if you have seen them in job description, copy the whole thing into resume so that when you are in front of them and your resume shows the exact capabilities that they require, the chances of your selection booms, right? I'm sure you're getting me. Okay, for example, if you're applying for the tech role, study the company's latest product that it has launched and how your skill aligns with that goal. It's like you're admiring their capabilities and then you're showcasing your capabilities that aligns with them. For example, if there is a company, for example Apple, and then it creates phones which have latest designs, who are good at speed, who are good at their capability and handling pressures, and if you have same type of skills that can let them grow higher, then selection of yours is already selected. You don't need to anything. All that you require to do to showcase your talent that you already possess, and you need to mention it. Let's proceed further. Now prepare answers for the common questions that you're going to face, right? Like practice the response questions. For example, the common questions that you'll be asked, like, tell me about yourself, why should I hire you, what are your experiences, what are your academic qualifications, what are your skills, what are your soft skills, what are your hard skills, what are your understanding about the project management team, what are your skills about what do you understand about capabilities of principal, what do you know about my company, what do you know about yourself, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. These are really common questions that you might come across, so you need to almost remember all the points, that not sentence wise but at least by points. You may use a method which we call STAR method. It's like STAR, where you will tell the situation in past, then you will tell the task that you took. You came across a what situation in any position, and then you will tell the task. What task did you get in order to get the position and get that situation as per earlier? Then you will tell the action, that after selecting the task, what action did you commit in order to tackle the situation, and then you will tell the result, that in order to tackle the situation, what result did you accomplish. It's like, sir, I came across a company where the sale was it was upon earth, sir. It was flat surface where the sales wasn't high. It's a situation. Now you'll tell the task, sir, I managed the team. Firstly, I just motivated them and ran a campaign on online social media platforms, and sir, with the help of those help that you have taken, with the help of campaigns, that has enhanced the result. You took the action, you told the task, and then you have gotten the result. And sir, and afterwards the sale was 80% higher than earlier my selection. When I was in the company, I took the sale into 80% of what it was. Now, for example, you may also tell the situation, task, action, and result. If you use this method, chances of your selection gets enhanced a lot. You may also attire your company's culture. For example, you may use your formal or business casual that you got earlier. Now ensure that your clothes are clean, well fitted, and wrinkles free. It helps others to understand that you are really punctual, you're really decent, you're quite professional, and you are deservable to get selected. For example, you may, for a corporate interview, you may wear a dark suit or a light shirt, and for creative job, you may use some smart casual attire. Now prepare questions that you need to ask with the interviewer. If interviewer asks you tons of questions and you ask nothing, it makes them feel that you have less confidence and you're not that professional in order to understand, you're not that serious for that interview. But if interviewer asks you some question and then you ask some questions to interviewer, it makes them feel that it was worth communicating. It's like it goes like conversation. It doesn't even feel like interview. It feels like you're just conversating with someone who is good at your field. And you may showcase your curiosity or interest by asking some thoughtful questions like, what is work culture here? What the best thing can I expect if I come to this organization? It makes them feel that candidate is serious and candidate is growth oriented. It's not like he just wants a selection. Along with selection, he wants much more. He expects much more from this organization. If you showcase these qualities, the selection percentage of yours, the chances of your selection gets higher, a lot higher than you think. Now, you may also ask some questions. You might be asked questions like, sir, what exact expectation is of yours if you want me to be in? For example, what does success look like for this role? So if I come to this role, what exactly do you want me to do, which can let you feel that I was worth selecting, I was the best candidate that you selected? What exactly one thing that I should perform so well that makes you feel that I could be the best candidate? Ask questions like that. What are the biggest challenge in this organization if I come here, sir? If you ask questions like these, they get a curiosity that this candidate is not just like conversation oriented. It's like he's serious about selection here. And he also is growth oriented. It's not just selection that he desires much more than this. Now, if you're at a place where your interview is about to take place, then arrive on time during the interview. You should be at interview place at particular time. Be at the location less than 10 to 15 minutes earlier, and in order to show your punctuality. When you're there before time, you can observe this scenario, you can observe the place, you can see the positivity or negativity, you can feel the vibe of that place. You may feel yourself that you're already selected. It makes, law of attraction work simultaneously possible. For virtual interviews, log in 5 minutes early to ensure your tech setup work or like network problems and all, in order to tackle all these problems. Now, Make a strong first impression when you are in front of the interviewer. Then greet the interviewer with a firm handshake, not by breaking their hands, their fingers, but it should look like it's firm. Maintain good posture and eye contact through the conversation. You will also sit up straight without joining your hands like that, nodding occasionally in order to show that you're actually listening, in order to show you're active listening. You will communicate clearly and confidently. You will speak at the steady pace and avoid words like actually, you will avoid these. You will also take a moment to think before answering complex question. If you are asked any complex question, you will take a pause, think about it, have sufficient time. You will also desirous to drink a sip of water. It will help you to have some time to think and let the interviewer feel that you're just drinking water. You may say like this. Make sure the water is of yours. It's not like you'll start drinking his water. Okay, that's sufficient for today. You'll meet tomorrow in the next one with some new tips and tricks about interview, job, future, business, or something like that. See you in the next one. Take care of yourself.